Today, we're doing a show about airplanes. 1903, one of the biggest marks in airplane history. The first airplane goes flying. 1920, people discovered that airplanes could be used for war and make better airplanes. 1930, people also discovered to use airplanes for transportation. They started using it for transportation. 1947, Spruce Goose goes flying in Long Beach Harbor. 1957, Boeing starts being a company and makes some of the first modern jets. 1969, Airbus and about 1,000 other airplane companies join and start making modern jets. 2005, Airbus makes the biggest transportation jet in the planet. 2010, Antonov 225, huge airplane, breaks a couple of records. The end.